Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your design handoff from Figma to Jira tickets step by step clearly. Open your Figma file where your design is located. Select the frame or artboard that you want to hand off. In the right sidebar, find the export settings. Choose the format you want for your design files, such as PNG or SVG. Click on the export button to download the design assets to your local drive. Now, open Jira in your browser. Navigate to the project where you want to create your tickets. Click on the option to create a new issue. Fill in the fields like summary, description, and any specific requirements. In the description field, summarize the design intent and user stories your design supports. Attach the exported design files by dragging them into the attachment area or using the upload option. If there are any specific design guidelines or usage notes, include those in the description. Make sure to categorize the ticket appropriately for better tracking. Assign the ticket to the relevant team member responsible for implementation. Set the priority level to indicate how urgent the task is. Click on the Create Issue button to finalize the ticket in Jira. Review the ticket to ensure all necessary information has been included. Share the ticket link with your team to ensure everyone is on the same page. Follow up as needed to clarify any points about the design handoff. Maintain an open channel for feedback and questions regarding the designs. This completes the transfer of your design handoff from Figma to Jira tickets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.